Floki Inu price prediction. In the last video on Friday, right here, we said that the price would dump super strong, and we dumped by 20 something percent, basically 20%. And right now we're seeing basically the reverse reaction, and we're having VWAP curving up on the daily chart. As you can see, this green line, we have some longs opening and massive amounts of shorts basically closed within this daily candle. At the end of this daily candle, 900k shorts, probably more actually, 5 mil, 900k, and so on. So we're definitely interested in seeing some reaction here, and what I'm expecting here is 1 to 3 days green candles from here. So I expect today to be green. Obviously this video is not financial advice. Next 3 days to also be green because we have momentum to the upside. This is something I'm seeing across the board on every single coin. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. We're up to 174 grand on meme coins. If you want to learn a little bit from me, I've discounted my course a lot and my Signal chat. Use the links in the description down below. And also there's 8 grand worth of bonuses that you can claim from Being X. See you next video. Bye.